In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Lens Island black screen problem. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly fix any issues attributed to Lens Islands crashing, not working, or giving you a black screen when you run the game on your computer. So first, what you should check is to go over to the Steam page for the game, and if you scroll down, you will find the system requirements for Windows and Mac OS. It is extremely important that you meet at least the minimum requirements. If you do not meet the minimum requirements, you are going to have trouble running Lens Island. So make sure that your CPU has at least dual-core 2.5 GHz and that your graphics card or GPU has at least 2 GB of dedicated memory. You might have an integrated graphics card and that should work, but depending on the model, it will give you trouble to run Lens Island. So, if you checked the system requirements and you believe that your computer can run the game to begin with, the next step is to update the video drivers for your graphics card. So right-click the Windows icon, go over to Device Manager, and in here, under the device adapter or the display adapters, you will be able to find the specific model for your GPU. So under display adapters, find the model for your GPU. If you have a dedicated graphics card, it is usually going to be something like NVIDIA GeForce RTX or even GTX. In my case, it is an AMD Radeon RX. So go over to the respective manufacturer's website. So go to nvidia.com or amd.com and you will find the option to download the drivers. So if you have something from NVIDIA, like I said, it is usually going to be GeForce, the product series, either the 30 or 40 series or even a GTX 10 series if you see it below, and then you can choose the appropriate model. Once you choose the specific model for GPU, download the drivers and install them. Try running the game again and it should work. Now, if it still doesn't work, then the best course of action would be to once again try updating any more drivers that you have available, restart your computer, and verify the integrity of the game files. So open the Steam launcher, right-click Lens Island. You will notice that I am doing this process with Terraria, but this is because I don't have Lens Island on this account. Just right-click the game, go over to Properties, Installed Files, and verify the integrity of the game files. See if any of the files of the Lens Island installation are corrupted or missing, and if so, they will be reacquired accordingly. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Lens Island black screen problem. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.